Looking for great Roku TV products to buy on Cyber Monday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, the Roku Ultra is our top-of-the-line player. With a powerful quad-core processor, our best wireless, and an Ethernet port, for ultimate connectivity that stands up to what you want to stream by Roku. Number 2, the Roku Streaming Stick gives you smooth streaming with channels that launch in a snap. Easily hide it behind your TV or move it around the house. You can even take it to a friend's, another great product by Roku. Number 3, our ultimate streaming experience. The next generation Roku Ultra is our most powerful player. With a quad-core processor and our best wireless performance. Cyber Monday 2018 is already here. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.